Hi pupils, welcome to Missing English learning session for phonics. Today we're going to learn E and N. E and N. Phonics E and N. Let's start. Okay, E and N. Hen. H-E-N. Hen. Hen. H-E-N. Hen. What is hen? 母鸡 hen. The second one, ten, T-E-N, ten, ten, T-E-N, ten. What is ten? 10. Third one, den, D-E-N, den, den, D-E-N, den, 也就是洞穴 den. The fourth one, man, M-E-N, man, man, M-E-N, man. What is man? 也就是人，很多人 man， 很多人 man, M-E-N, man. Okay, the last one, what is this? Pen, pen, P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen, pen 可以是钢笔，在这里的 pen 是鸡寮或者鸡舍，我们叫 pen, P-E-N, pen. Okay, let's see. Okay, over here there is a picture. In the picture, where is it? It's in a den. And what can you see? You see man. So how many men over here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 men in a den. There are 10 men in a den. So 10 men in a den. Okay, in this picture, what can you see? What animals is this? It's a hen. So a hen, where is it? In a pen. A hen in a pen. A hen in a pen. 就是母鸡在鸡舍 A hen in a pen. 10个男人在洞穴 10 men in a den. Let's read together again. 10 men in a den. Again, 10 men in a den. A hen in a pen. A hen in a pen. That's all for today. Remember, do your homework and bye-bye.